In product design, there are two separate domains that coexist: mechanical and electrical. When we kick off a new project, the mechanical team conveys requirements, such as board outline and the location of mounting holes, to the electrical team. Typically, this means sending emails with manually exported file attachments, which are static representations of the design at the moment of the email. As our process continues, this generates a daunting file history and the inevitable risk of information being lost, misinterpreted, and falling out of sync. In the end, there are always risks when the board comes back from the fab house. Will the board fit? Do we have to move components or traces? How much time and expense will it take to rectify these discrepancies?
Oh, hey, sorry, NJ, didn't see your recording. Hey, mechanical team, we just finished the drop test. We just need to make a few mounting changes to the medical interface. Not a problem, right?
Really? Another day, another change. Let's see how SOLIDWORKS allows us to work together seamlessly and greatly reduce confusion by creating a single reference for product design. Inside SOLIDWORKS PCB, I have my initial design already created. Tasks such as circuit design, component placement, and trace routing were fast and easy with the SOLIDWORKS-inspired user interface. Basic PCB design is a breeze. And to speed up this video, I'm going to move ahead and show you how I can tackle this design change from the mechanical team. Inside SOLIDWORKS PCB, the collaboration panel shows me I have a few changes waiting for review. There is a new mounting hole right in the center of my board, and the board outline has been adjusted. Those changes are reflected visually in the design workspace, so I can clearly understand the mechanical team's intent and what the impact on me will be. No more guessing what's different or finding out downstream we had a miscommunication. In many cases, we have some electrical changes of our own to make, and likewise, the mechanical team needs to know. Here, I need to move the inductor closer to the power supply. Once I've made my adjustment, I type a comment detailing my changes and simply push this to the mechanical team. In SOLIDWORKS CAD, an identical collaboration panel is available, notifying the mechanical designer about incoming changes. He or she can view them with a simple animation or flashing. Just as we expect with SOLIDWORKS, the design data is associative and doesn't create a new file. The built-in commenting provides a rich history as changes are pushed and pulled, so we're never left searching through a bunch of emails and files trying to find the latest information. Keeping the mechanical team up to date helps them as they design for form, fit, and performance. This integration is powered by a collaboration server which stores the board shape, components, and designer's comments. No more email chains that get lost. No more unexplained changes from either side. Everyone is on the same page. SOLIDWORKS enables mechanical and electrical teams to work together seamlessly and effectively with a single reference for product design. That brings harmony between two parallel efforts, allowing you to deliver your products efficiently to market.